All right, so we drove this car all winter. Been a good one. One of the axles is making noise. Probably gonna change that. I got what else? Oh, I got a little. These have an auxiliary water pump for the heat. Heat works, but not great, and that pump is not working. But today, I'm gonna start taking this axle apart. I don't know how far I'm gonna get with it. I'll just go until I'm tired, and then I'll do something else. I was supposed to do this with it on the ground, but I didn't do that because I thought my impact would do it. But it is not doing it. We got it. Craftsman to the rescue. That ain't your new garbage you buy at Lowe's. So we're going to tap this back to release the axle from inside the hub. We just want to tap it a couple times to make sure it's loose, but I just pushed it. It is loose. So when I get to that point, the axle will come right out. It's not seized in the bore or anything. It's just, it's already free to come out. So we're good on that part. All right. So the next thing I have to take loose is this tie rod, which I always have really good luck with tie rods. Nope. All right, so I have a ball joint kit. It takes a few different ones to try to find one that fits properly, and even then this one's not great, but it'll do what we need it to do. We just need to put a little pressure on this, and then I'll tap it a couple times and hopefully it comes out. Just put a little pressure on it with this. There it goes. Popped right loose. Okay. Now hopefully I can spin this off the rest of it. Yay! Alright. Well, here you can clearly see why my axle went bad. The boot tore and just basically puked all its grease. So we're just going to keep plugging away here. Got a couple more things to take loose, then hopefully we'll be down to it. Alright, so I took the sway bar bushing little bolts out. I might have to pry this some more to get what I need to, as far as movement. We'll see here in a minute. Now I need to take this bolt out of the shock. Now from everything I've seen, this thing comes off pretty easy and it's not under load, but maybe, I don't know, maybe it is. Alright, I'm gonna have to do something with it, so I'm gonna get my pry bar. Maybe I could just take it loose over there and it should just pivot down then. Now, the implication is I have to tap that out of there with my hammer. So, if you want, the best thing to do is come on this side. You got it? Did it come or did the seal come off? Looks like the seal popped off. That's gonna be enough for tonight because I can't do this like this. I'm not putting new parts in like this. This grease right here is the nastiest grease in the world. It just gets all over everything. So I've got to clean up and then we can maybe start putting this back together.